Hi friends, welcome to my village channel. Today we are going to unbox Apple Magic keyboard for iPad Pro models. It comes with a beautiful white box. Product's color is black. Backside we can see the keyboard bend positions. We can see supported iPad models list on the back. Let's open the keypad. I'm very excited. Box wrapped with a plastic cover. There is a notch to open the plastic. Here we go. Open for the top side. We can see the black color keyboard wrapped in a poly cover. Wow, see the Apple Magic keyboard. Very nice material and the texture is so smooth. Inside we can see the instruction manual. It has the keyboard features. Yeah, other information about the product safety in multiple languages. Let us keep it aside. See the keyboard. The flip is firm and steady. I have an 256 GB iPad Pro 11 model. Let's go. Duck to the keypad. Yeah, it is so strong. It is a magnetic holding. Yeah, the keypad start functioning immediately. Keypad comes with the backlit function. No worries when working in dark. Trackpad is more smooth. It is not big enough like Apple Mac laptops, but nicely designed and easily we can move the fingers across. We can find some settings for keyboard in the general settings. It looks so nice. The top quality material used. Check the nice smooth matte finish surface and the base is so strong. Keys are so nice. Enough space to each key. Is very easy to type. Multimedia keys are missing, but most work can be done by iPad functions itself. Let us detach the iPad. It is very easy. Three pins we can see which connect keyboard and power to iPad. But nice material. Hinge is so strong like laptops. One side we have a charging port. We no need to connect C-type charger to iPad. Just connect to keyboard through these three pins. iPad will also charge automatically. Let us close and open. Operates very smooth. We can operate with single hand. Lightweight. One side is C port and another side is nothing. Trackpad is so sensitive and it feels good to operate. Settings in iPad. Let us check the keypad settings in the general settings in iPad. You can see the full shortcuts list over there in the down. There are other options also available like command, auto hide, the backlight lightings, the size of the font, color of the cursor, etc. I have an Apple pencil as well. It is a second generation Apple pencil. Let us check the pencil. Is a very high-tech product for notes, painting, drawing, editing text. Just place the Apple Pencil on the top of the iPad. It is a magnetic holding. Apple Pencil will charge wirelessly after docking. Easy to close. Feels like high weight compared to a laptop, but it solves multi-purpose with set of products, great display, and a smooth functions. You can able to open with single hand and it is very easy. Let us type. It is popping words suggestions from the notes, so it is very helpful for a long typing. Yeah. Hey Google, welcome to my village YouTube. Let us see the pencil now. Smooth writing. We can change colors, pen modes, eraser. For changing pencil and eraser, just double tap on the pencil so it changes. It is very useful function. So we can change pen, pencil, marker. We can reduce or increase the line thickness. We can change the colors. So I'm using this pencil since a year and it is a very great helpful wherever I'm traveling, whenever I need a note, I don't need to carry my diary. So